Fuck. My bad. What's up? Look what I got on. We had a little threat of bad weather earlier here in Thibodeau, so I was home early. You know, maybe a little worried because of how people are around here. They make you worry. So I may have partaken a little earlier. So Munchipes. Excuse me. Let me cut that out. All right. So Munchipes is now for supper. So I have this leftover jambalaya I made yesterday. You hear that, Red? Jambalaya. It's good too. Cold. Tortillas. Monterey Jack cheese with jalapenos and habanero. And a little salsa. Check this out. Put a couple of scoops of that there. Oops. I doubt my counter's clean, but okay. Alright. Now, the hot sauce. I got too much hot shit. I will definitely be burning ring of fire in the morning, baby. Alright. Hold on. I get some toothpicks. I'm gonna put this in my air fryer for about 5 minutes. Be right back. Hey girl, what's up? Coming over tonight? Yeah. Alright. Nothing, I'm just chilling right now, watching pregame for the national championship. Waiting for this burrito to cook. But it's about done, so let me go. Just holler at me. Yeah, I gotta go finish this video. My peasants are waiting on me. Yeah, just holler at me when you're on the way. All right. Look at that. Woo! Let's get this bad boy a try. Best thing, get some of your teeth. You got a toothpick already. You can see the melted cheese. Oh yeah. Somebody can make a meme out of that. Anyway, I already knew how good this jambalaya was. But with that cheese and that salsa and that crispy shell. Alright, y'all have a good night. I'm getting ready to go watch the Natty. Rose-colored glasses. Stop!